original, the queen of Villa Verde. Now we don't know what to call it. So this is, what do we call it?
I was not here. Didn't even know this existed.
It doesn't have a name, so let's give it a name.
Yeah.
How about we call this Coinbase?
Okay.
How about that, right? Hive Coinbase. This is Coinbase. Since Bitcoin is listed on Coinbase or showing up on Coinbase, we are calling this beehive Coinbase. Coinbase, if you're listening, feel free to adopt this hive. Shameless plug. Yes, I'm not gonna be ashamed of that because we are saving the bees with crypto. All right, let's go. Coinbase right there. All right.
Hold up.
Coinbase. Take a picture.
Well, hold up. It would have to be on a there.
Should I call it? What's Coinbase CEO's name? Brian.
Well, you tag him.
Brian Hive. Okay. Let's see if they eat the food. They did not eat the food.
I mean, this looks very quiet.
It is quiet. That's why I want to see them. Hopefully they're not dead.
But they're drone.
Otherwise,
I mean, there's movement there, but
we call it Coinbase for nothing. Let's see. Did they die? They look like they're alive.
So you did this on Monday?
Yeah.
How many frames did you bring? Or just one?
3 frames.
Doesn't look like there are 3 frames there.
Well, that's why we're inspecting them. If they're not a lot, then we'll have to add more. I just want to see if the queen is doing great. Nothing there.
Nothing.
Some bees cleaning it up. This will be a quick check. Nothing. We'll probably get some they got a lot of food. That's why I wasn't worried about them. But ideally, I would have put these guys on top of a bigger hive with a double screen board. Oop.
Oh, see?
Queen
That's
cell.
a superseder cell.
That's a superseder cell, yes. You want to see the superseder cell? I haven't seen the queen yet. That's just an emergency cell. So far, I haven't seen the queen, unless the queen died.
Well, hopefully not.
Hopefully not, because
that's our overwintered queen.
Our overwintered queen. I think they have plenty of bees to keep her alive, and it wasn't like freezing temperature, so I'm not worried at all. That's like 1 frame of bee. That's 1 frame of food right there. It's basically a nuke. Now we probably need to consolidate them. Or see, these bees just emerged.
Yeah. What are they doing here? Because I think that's another queen cell.
No.
No? Are you sure?
No, that's not a queen cell.
Oh, okay.
So far, no queen.
No queen.
Well, they emerged. These guys emerged. Where's the queen? No queen.
I don't see a queen.
Ah, there she is.
Is that it?
There she is. She's laying right there.
Is that it?
No, no.
Somewhere.
Stick your finger right there. Right there.
Oh, there she is. I see her now.
Okay. She's there. She's good. We probably want to give them less surface. So what I'm thinking, turn them into 5 frame. Oh wait.
You can put a follower board.
Yeah, let's put a follower board. Let's get rid of the superseder for the emergency. There we go.
No, it wasn't there. It's on that one.
Oh, I just removed one.
Well, that's what I was telling you. I thought there were more here. Even possibly they are working on one there. Or they're just eating.
No, they're just eating.
Oh.
There's the queen. There's the queen. Mm. You think there's another one on this side?
That's where the first one we've seen was, I thought.
I thought this was food.
Yeah, and it had a queen cell.
Oh, you're right.
That's the one. It's the main one.
Let's remove it. Oh, wow, that's deep.
Yeah.
Can you hold it? That's food. That's good. Okay. The queen is here. Check again. You see her?
She was coming on this side a while ago. There.
You got her? Okay, perfect. Let's put her back. She's laying.
They're looking at you. Look at these guys. They're looking at you.
Like, what the fuck are you doing?
Cup brood. There's a lot of cup brood.
Oh, these are new. This is new.
Yeah, this is all new, right?
This is new.
Yeah. There's a lot of cup brood there.
Yeah, this is.
That looks beautiful.
This is new. This is all new.
Yeah. This girl is awesome.
Yeah, I know. I'm telling you that. All right, so let's shut her closer down. Welcome, Coinbase. This is the new hive, Coinbase Hive. And again, if Coinbase is listening, feel free to call us and sponsor the hive that's just named after you guys, your company. All right, so should we put a follower board, love?
Probably.
Let's put a follower board.
Do we have... Oops.
Isn't Coinbase awesome, love?
Yeah.
All right, let's give them 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? This is the best frame we got. Give them the best frame we got, so they don't have to work as hard. This one is beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Oh, these are actually one of the best.
You squished one.
Oh, I did?
Yeah, that one.
Oh no.
When she was under, when you put it down real quick, she got squished.
You okay?
Nope.
Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah? That should be good.
Yeah, because they're already working on that one, right?
And then next week, we'll let them work on the other side. There, what do you think? Yes? Sorry, girl. That was...
But you do realize you have 6, right?
What?
You
Yes.
have 6, okay.
Should we go 5?
That's fine. No, I think that's fine. Just letting you know. They can still get out, right?
Oh yeah. It's just that the heat is concentrated there. I guess we could have just used a single follower board.
Right.